Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on the minds of many aspiring creators: starting a successful YouTube channel in 2025. As we step into this new era of digital content, it's crucial to understand the evolving landscape of YouTube and how you can carve out your niche. In this video, we'll cover essential steps for channel creation, from choosing your niche and crafting engaging content to optimizing your videos for search and building a loyal audience. We'll also share tips on leveraging the latest trends and tools that can help you stand out in a crowded space. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your existing channel, this guide is designed to be both engaging and informative. Establishing a YouTube presence in 2025 is more important than ever. With millions of users turning to the platform for entertainment, education, and inspiration, having your voice heard can open doors to incredible opportunities. So, if you're ready to embark on this creative journey, stick around as we explore everything you need to know to kickstart your YouTube adventure. Understanding your niche. Identifying and defining your niche is a crucial step in creating a successful YouTube channel. In 2025, the landscape is filled with diverse content, making it essential to research popular niches and trends. Take some time to explore what's currently resonating with viewers. Are people leaning towards lifestyle vlogs, educational content, or perhaps niche hobbies? Understanding these trends can help you find a focus that not only excites you but also attracts an audience. Next, consider your passions and expertise. Authenticity is key on YouTube, and when you create content around what you love, it shines through. Think about your unique experiences and skills. These can set you apart from the competition. Finally, analyzing your target audience is vital. Who are they? What are their interests and pain points? Tailoring your content to meet their needs will not only engage viewers but also foster a loyal community. By combining your interests with audience insights, you can carve out a niche that feels both personal and impactful. So, take the time to explore, reflect, and define your niche. It's the foundation for your YouTube success. Creating a content strategy. Developing a comprehensive content strategy is essential for the success of your YouTube channel. One of the first steps is to plan a content calendar. This will help you maintain consistency in your uploads, which is crucial for building an audience. Aim for a regular schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, so your viewers know when to expect new content. Consistency not only keeps your audience engaged but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that you're an active creator. Next, consider incorporating various content types into your strategy. Mixing tutorials, vlogs, reviews, and even live streams can keep your channel fresh and appealing. This variety allows you to showcase your expertise while catering to different viewer preferences, making your channel more versatile and engaging. Lastly, don't overlook the power of SEO techniques. Optimizing your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords can significantly improve your visibility on the platform. Research trending keywords in your niche and use them strategically to attract more viewers. By combining a well-planned content calendar, diverse content types, and effective SEO practices, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful YouTube channel that resonates with your audience. Setting up your channel. Creating and optimizing your YouTube channel profile is a vital step in establishing your online presence. Start by choosing a memorable channel name that reflects your niche. This name should be easy to remember and spell, giving potential viewers a clear idea of what your content is about. A well-thought-out name can make a lasting impression and help you stand out in a crowded space. Next, focus on designing an eye-catching channel banner and logo. These visual elements are the first things viewers will notice, so make sure they are professional and aligned with your brand. Your banner should convey the essence of your channel, while your logo should be simple yet distinctive. Consistent branding across your channel helps build recognition and trust with your audience. Finally, write a compelling channel description that outlines your content. This is your opportunity to tell viewers what they can expect from your channel, including the types of videos you'll produce and your upload schedule. Use engaging language and include relevant keywords to enhance discoverability. By thoughtfully setting up your channel profile, you'll create a strong foundation that attracts viewers and encourages them to subscribe. Investing in equipment. Selecting the right equipment is crucial for enhancing the quality of your YouTube videos. Start by researching essential gear such as cameras, microphones, and lighting. A good camera can significantly improve your video clarity, while a quality microphone ensures your audio is crisp and clear. Lighting is equally important. Natural light can work wonders, but investing in softbox lights or ring lights can elevate your production value, especially in low light conditions. If you're on a budget, don't worry, there are plenty of budget-friendly options that still deliver impressive quality. Many entry-level cameras and microphones provide excellent performance without breaking the bank. Look for reviews and comparisons to find gear that fits your needs and budget. Additionally, learning basic video editing software is essential for polishing your content. Familiarize yourself with programs like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free options like DaVinci Resolve. Editing allows you to enhance your videos with transitions, effects, and sound adjustments, making your content more engaging. By investing in the right equipment and honing your editing skills, you'll create high-quality videos that captivate your audience and encourage them to return for more. Promoting your channel. Implementing effective strategies to promote your YouTube channel is essential for growing your audience and increasing visibility. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to share your videos and connect with potential viewers. Create engaging posts that highlight your content, and don't forget to use relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience. Engaging with your audience is another crucial aspect of promotion. Take the time to respond to comments on your videos and engage in discussions. This not only builds a sense of community but also encourages viewers to return to your channel. Additionally, consider using community posts to share updates, polls, or sneak peeks of upcoming content, keeping your audience involved and excited. Collaborating with other YouTubers can also significantly expand your reach. Partnering with creators in your niche allows you to tap into their audience while providing fresh content for your viewers. Whether it's guest appearances, joint projects, or shoutouts, collaborations can introduce your channel to new subscribers and foster valuable connections within the YouTube community. By combining these strategies, you'll effectively promote your channel and cultivate a loyal following. Analyzing performance. Monitoring and analyzing your channel's performance metrics is essential for understanding what works and what doesn't. Start by utilizing YouTube Analytics, a powerful tool that provides insights into viewer engagement, demographics, and traffic sources. By examining metrics such as watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention, you can gain a clearer picture of how your content resonates with viewers. Once you have this data, it's important to adjust your content strategy based on performance insights. If certain types of videos are performing exceptionally well, consider creating more content in that vein. Conversely, if some videos aren't gaining traction, analyze why and make necessary changes. This iterative process will help you refine your approach and better meet the needs of your audience. Additionally, setting realistic goals for growth and improvement is crucial. Whether it's increasing your subscriber count, boosting engagement rates, or enhancing video quality, having clear objectives will keep you focused and motivated. Regularly review your progress and adjust your goals as needed. By consistently analyzing your performance and adapting your strategy, you'll be well equipped to foster growth and create content that truly resonates with your audience. In this video, we've covered several key points essential for starting a successful YouTube channel in 2025. We began by emphasizing the importance of niche selection, highlighting how finding a specific focus can help you stand out in a crowded platform. We also discussed the significance of developing a comprehensive content strategy, which includes planning a content calendar, incorporating various video types, and utilizing SEO techniques to enhance discoverability. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take action. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support not only motivates us to create more valuable content but also helps others discover these insights. Lastly, don't forget to explore related content on our channel or website. We have plenty of resources designed to help you on your YouTube journey, from equipment recommendations to advanced marketing strategies. Thank you for watching, and remember, the journey to YouTube success starts with the right knowledge and a commitment to your craft. We can't wait to see you in our next video. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.